What's that made out of?
Silicone?
Silicone. What's silicone good for?
I don't know. I know they go in boobs. Like fake boobs.
All right, go ahead and put on your gloves.
All right.
Here we go. So
I'm wearing Parker's work shirt. Plastic, because it's turned inside out. The orange shirt.
all right, so what we're gonna do is have Bug try and change the spark plugs on her car. Have you ever changed spark plugs before?
No.
Do you have any idea where to start?
Are these them?
I guess we'll find out. You can have 3 helps. I'll give you 3 helps, and if you need more than 3, then you lose. So you've got your wrench, you got the only size socket you'll need, a 10mm. You've got your spark plug socket and your spark plugs, and then you have these 2 things, which if you can figure out what they're used for, they're bonus points.
Okay. I've run into a dilemma because this is in the way. So do I have to take these off too? But that's not my hint. Do I have to take this whole thing off? Let me look actually. Because this is the only thing. Can I like take this off and just slide it? I'm gonna try. You just tell me. I'll tell you for sure if I want it to be my hint. But you tell me. You stop me if I look like.
Yeah, I'll stop you if you're gonna mess something up.
Wow, that's super fast actually. I'm quite impressed. Oh, look, there's another right here. I haven't seen a video of you. I know I've watched you do some kind of spark plugs before, but...
Last night.
Is that what you did last night?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess I didn't. Well, I wasn't paying attention. What am I doing? Okay, so I got this off. So now I can just see these. Because basically I only have to worry about these, right? So what do the spark plugs do? Why don't you tell the people that?
Why don't you tell them?
I think they... Is this the engine?
Uh-huh.
They make the engine go?
Yeah. So the engine needs 3 things to run. Do you know what they are?
Gas?
Yep. What else?
Spark plugs.
Spark. And what else?
The pedal.
Air.
Air.
Air if you want to spark. So
are they... I take this off? I have to unhook it from here, I guess.
you don't have to.
Right.
You don't have to do anything with that.
Oh, is this not the spark plug?
Nope.
This is not the spark plug?
No. It's like you just took something off you didn't need to.
I didn't even have to take that off?
I'm just kidding, yeah.
Oh. Are they deep within? Those are... I'm like trying to take that. Do I put it on here? Good thing you gave me all the tools.
Yeah. I should have made you find the tools you needed.
No, Did that count as my hint, what you just told me?
What did I tell you?
I didn't. I feel like that was a big clue that you should probably count that.
Okay. Pull hard on that. You got the right idea. I won't let you suffer any longer. Yep, that's the right direction. Okay.
Comes right. This is the spark plug.
That's the spark plug. You can just toss that spark plug on the ground or wherever, just get it out of the way. So remember how that socket looked before you got the spark plug out? It stays together.
This is the spark plug? Alright, I think people should know that the spark plug is actually quite tiny. They deserve to know.
They deserve to know.
It's actually kind of fun. I've never thought it looked fun to do. So I was trying to take off this whole thing.
Yep, that's the socket itself, so.
I was thinking.
Okay, so you've got all 4 spark plugs out. Tell us what's the plan now.
I'm gonna take the new spark plugs. Can I get new gloves?
Okay, not that side, not that way, not that way.
Is that my hand?
Yeah, that'll be a hint because you could have broke it.
So it's magnetic?
That socket is magnetic so they don't fall out. You can use one of those. at this step of the process.
Putting something like this on. Is that it?
Read the instructions, maybe.
Oh. Stir well before use. For best results, remove oil and grease. Protection of parts is now assured. I don't know.
What's that made out of?
Silicone?
Silicone. What's silicone good for?
I don't know. I know they go in boobs. Like fake boobs. Oh, I'll use this one then.
Okay, and you just want a little drop on that.
I do remember using this for something.
So just.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
it's
just
actually quite pretty.
Yeah, maybe scrape some of that off because we don't need all that. We just need, all you need to really do is just barely touch it to this part here. Just barely. That's it. Perfect. That's all you need.
Is that okay?
Give it. Yeah, righty tighty.
How long?
It should start clicking real hard at the end and do that for a second or two.
Did I just break it?
No, push it all the way in. You didn't even have it all the way in.
Okay.
A little bit more. That's good.
Why is it so loud?
Okay, that's one. Let's see if you can do the rest.
Where's mine? Oh, here. These gloves are nice because I like it. I don't like it on Parker's hands. Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Pretty simple. Okay, 2 down, 2 to go.
What we should know is how long does it usually take you? How long do you think it would take you to just do this?
Myself, probably 6-7 minutes.
Okay. Well, I don't think I'm too far behind.
Nope.
You gave me an easy job.
Maybe we'll move you up to a harder one next.
Alright, the motor swap.
Motor swap.
I really thought these were the spark plugs. Like there was somewhere in there, so I was like looking around for it. Oh, do you keep throwing these on the ground?
Yeah.
Every time I was like, where? I keep putting the same one.
Okay, is this the last one?
Yes, sir. Yeah. I'm pretty fast. I work efficiently. Is that okay? Waste not, want not. It's pretty hot out, so probably not very comfortable.
Keep going. A little bit more. Sure.
All right. That was about to go.
Okay. Did you mark these to make sure you remembered which one went where?
No, but I remember.
Okay. They all look the exact same.
Yeah, but they go in a straight line, right?
Yep.
Oh no.
Didn't sound like it went all the way through.
It didn't?
Didn't sound like it.
I'll get that later.
You would need it to finish.
Oh, I do?
Yep.
I know we have a magnet.
Yeah, we have a magnet and a bright flashlight that you might need to find that.
I said flash. Where's
It's in the truck. Let's go get it.
Come on over to my truck.
Here's the flashlight.
Oh, awesome. Do I need a new thingy for this? Or do you...
No, it's fine. I can shine it and help you find it. And the magnet's over there. You've looked at it a few times.
Is it big?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's this thing.
Yep.
Because it reminds me like this. Oh.
That's going in.
Because it reminds me of those deep sea creature fish with the light like this. You know what I'm talking about?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
What am I
Socket it, so.
This might increase my total time. I think I would have been done by now. I thought it fell out the bottom.
All right, well, he's pretty much on.
Should we turn it on and back out? Would that make it fall? Oh, because the spark plugs aren't even.
Get the spare. Okay, here you go. I can look for it later.
Oops. We're in this together. Sad. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm putting those things in. Was this in here? Where was this? There we go.
Bingo.
Okay. Things like this really go the extra. See, I mean, they have to go this way, so why would you have to mark this? Alrighty. 1, 2. Should the wires be?
It should be pretty obvious how they're supposed to go.
There we go. Awesome. I just tightened the screws back in. Now some might have these thingies. Those were on the top right here. And then I think all the other ones didn't have those things. Wait, was that something? What is this for? Oh, some screws are on there. I guess let's see.
So what's your experience been so far?
So far I kind of like it. It's kind of fun. But it's been like really easy, I think. Or like this. You've been here to tell me what to do. What is this in or out?
That's out.
So now it's good.
It's going out now.
But it's kind of
good. Yep. You don't have to do those tight.
I won't say therapeutic, but it's kind of in and out, kind of thing, organized.
Yeah.
I feel bad that I dropped that down there. I want you
Yeah, I'll try and find it.
I want you to find that. It's just basically really hot out here, so good for you. Sweaty. Oh, is this the last one? Alrighty. So far, so good. Alright, and that's how you change spark plugs on a 2003 Hyundai.
To 2010.
Oh, a 2003 Hyundai.
2010.
Oh. 2010 Hyundai Elantra Accent. I feel like the hardest part, I don't know, because I don't know how to do anything on this, but I feel like the most annoying or hardy part would be just organizing and the tools and everything, because there's so many little things. Because you had all my junk set out for me and stuff. But overall, that was kind of fun. But I don't know if I could, I mean, it was like right here and open for me to do. So I don't know. But I really did think these were the, I don't know if you saw the coils.
Oh, yeah.
So that's fun. Is it, what else do I do?
Whatever you want. Whatever you want to say.
I think that's it. Should I clean up?
All right, overall performance of my wife Bug's work out there on the Hyundai. I give her 4.5 out of 5 stars. So did everything good. Gave her a few pointers on just things, you know, not to mess up. That way we didn't have more work for us in the long run. But super intuitive. Good at reading into the clues and the puzzles that the car gives you. You know, you take all the coils out, put them back in, you know, they're all going to line back up in a certain order. So she did a good job figuring all that out. I had to take away that 0.5 for losing my 10mm socket, which is like my 5th one, because it's always the 10mm that gets lost. So pretty good job, pretty fun, and hope you enjoyed the video. Again, everybody, please like and subscribe, ring the bell. We're just trying to grow the channel and put out some good content and entertainment for everybody. So thanks again. Peace out.